Abuja, put yourself on my shoes. Put yourself in my shoes. Poor man pikin go say na rain boot, na lie. Na Balenciaga. Baba, this papi na useless person. No. For Instagram, he tell us say na empress be your mama. You reach money matter, carry your rain mother come and not trust man. No. Small comedy wey we dey do, you carry native doctor, carry mami water from Benin, carry smoke full this food place. Omo Abuja muna clap for me na I know easy. Omo I came all the way from Lagos, dust 1 kilos. Tinubu carry everything come this Abuja. Lagos now don Tinubu. Everything don cost. Even I am that I am self, we no fit buy yam now. The thing, my mother flash me, I flash am back now. Now, boy, you born me, no be you carry me come this life. Rich one no dey work again, no. Poor man pikin go this na rich one vote the do. Ta, vote the way down the so. Coat of many colors, na vote this one now. Now you wear now, put the stand up, make they see. Before you got the young like who want I wayek. Baba, you don't hold though, take it easy.
If until I kill myself, kill one person wey win talent hunt, una no go help us wey get talent. Which talent they want use? This country, any talent they want. Papi gather us here, carry cigar. If papa they watch and smoke cigar for the first time. Where's your father? He's an irresponsible father. My father go watch me carry cigar. Am I mad? Where the father? No be mate, be president. Papi supposed be Sheyi Tinubu. Look at what you and your father they disgrace on yourself. They perform for Skywise, Sheyi vote the then. On our family, nothing dey. This papi too get for mouth. Last year he carry mama, this year papa. Next year, you go carry one widow for their family. It's just last. You be fool, oh. Guy, see show where we come since yesterday.
Your father.
My father no ho. If not be my father, we no funny. All of us for the do comedies now. For the perform, they perform. See time where they call me. Young boy like me, when old people supposed to sleep, are you people supposed to be outside? No people now mates keep us for this condition. Every small thing they will say, what an elder see sitting down. Waiting elder see what we will never see. Since 7 years when I graduate from school, even for church, they know they take workers again. Everywhere don't fool. See, Belumi. Now lawyer, now politician, now pastor, they manage Moses Bliss. Only him, Skywise, they get Babi Saloon, they sell car, they fight with Tonto DK, everything.
I'm a graduate, don't feel bad for me, second class lower, innit? Baba, who get 2 and never get work, now me go come get. I see my cut. Baba Berenga, as you don't fit do anything, assist. I see my classmates for area 1. Baba na joke I do. I carry this money, squander am. People wey buy house for Lagos, they don't fund the house. No invest in any house, shop your money. Nothing dey this life. This Nigeria go earn on Tuesday by 2.
The level the show dey now, if I talk your secret, no vex. Me, I'm not happy. See my premium, that idiot where they collect Big Brother gets money, sleep with me, I put in Big Brother. See and there, they hide. If you did say life hard for you, do you know that Speed Darlington lawyer know they sleep? And this month they don't arrest him. But now they even arrest him and a lawyer now. God, this country don't finish, oh. Tinubu where they shout is my turn. They give him now, they don't they turn around. He dey rule the country online. He dey write Sheyi. Man come back. Sheyi say no. They there. They dey vex so. You go come say make the people are not gonna take it easy on my hater. Not gonna. Are we not supposed to be sleeping? Nothing they walk everywhere. Odogu bitter. They don't even carry and they can't show. Maybe we just dey fuck. If you say why even fuck, light no day. True. Everywhere. Before you rent house for Lagos now, check NEPA bill history. I go rent house last week. As I enter, they owe 9 million. 9 million. I get bakery. I don't know who stayed there. Come out. People just they use light anyhow. You go carry gear before you go on AC. Card don't finish. Everything is expensive. Flight ticket from Abuja to Lagos 250,000. I book a pilot one overtake person. I stab him for the plane. Don't do that thing. Baba.
I don't swear finish. Now, I'm gonna say, God pick this morning. I senior, you senior me, you don't send me a message. Baba, you big woman, a big woman. No rush me. I don't swear finish. Lawyer come outside. He said, witness, I put it to you. I said, no, we put on my guys here. You cannot pressure me. Anything where you they do, be consistent. But ask something, joiner. Look at Weekend now. FCT minister, he they cook too. No allow anybody pressure you, even davido they go. OBO. Who believes say for this life, Bansa will become celebrity. Look at very dark man. Now they advise us. You don't get me as they advise us with the listing. Are you mad? Very dark man. They wear dark singlet for this dark economy. Nigeria even get economy. We are surviving. And they owe my landlord the owe Papi. He can't knock my door yesterday as he knock. I call Papi. He's around though. Before I go bring quick notice, they don't arrest him. They say, who can stand in for you? You call me as Sam, not around. Papa, things don't tough. Now this period for Bible, Jesus wept too. Ha! I saw Gary no green rice. Gary don't get pride. Baba.
Yesterday, for our compound WhatsApp group, landlord said we have a meeting. There's a new development. We remove our fence before we talk that. No development needs to add house rent. God, everything don't cost. Cost of living, cost of sexual intercourse, nothing. Ah! The only thing when they work for this Nigeria, everybody wants to sleep with each other. You go just upload girl for WhatsApp. The next question where you go, yeah, you know this girl. And you now, you go ask the person, who be the girl? No go ask them that kind of question. Oh. Maybe the girl they tell you, say, I don't used to sleep at. The person will ask you, go say, this girl will be safe if you invite her, I know the Greek go. Now so they like date. The best people to date now are single mothers. If fuck no the food go day. Success, you don't date single mother. But if they date single mother, make sure say the son no senior you. Because if you and the mama get problem, the son go call you come pal or sit you down. You don't know whether you go call her son or sir or bros. We can ask you what's going on between you and my mother. You go see where they date the mama. The son fit tell you say kneel down, I'm talking to you. Where you are going, I came out from there. God.
I'm a graduate, like I was saying. I studied fine and applied art. But where that kind of thing, where you want to use and get work. Some of the course where you read, ask yourself, what for? Any course where you study, they tell you can work anywhere. Nonsense. I'm fine. Yeah, I want to apply. It's a pity. I see my classmate wey say after school she dey settle down. She dey stand for area 1. The thing this Abuja, I'm gonna appreciate Abuja. Abuja una dey try na appreciate Abuja. For Lagos, na I wan get team my polo use am go through TikTok. They team polo for Lagos. I can't do polo. I write Adu Mama. Do you have anything I can change it to? Take. One girl wear the Adu Mama. She no know. She's a go do TikTok. She did dance. People they comment. Oh, accept my condolence. Baba
Oyibo, you are enjoying the show. Enjoy it now. And I know you give me a visa. Ingrate. Did you use passport to enter here? No. But to enter your country, they find passports. On judgment day, all of us hellfire. If I see any white man for hell, we go fight. Because to enter our country, the way I don't even know whether they use passport to enter Nigeria. But Brisky, we want escape. They cash out. For the first time, but Big say, I be man now. I be man. God, this country, nobody, everybody they owe. If you know they owe, country they owe for you. For the first time, Abaras they no come, he send the wife. Now see the obligo meeting we they do for you. Tell your husband, I was expecting to see him. So now you is saying. So I'm joining anything. You know, if everybody for this country now a woman, the country don't fuck all of us. If I see my name for this love again, I be gay. Sure? For the whole list, nobody pour for there. That means there is something that gay people are doing that we don't know. Believe me, sleep with me. Guy, it be like say if you don't gay, you go make money. Baby, I know you are married, but if we do threesome, no. First lady just they look me if I kill you. Guy, Transcorp hitting. Una go one on our waiters, so those boys they misbehave. Oh. I just there with one guy there. I don't know say na waiter. The guy just meet me. Are you not Monica? I say, yeah. It's a very funny comedian. You're natural. I say, yes. He said, I saw your show. You are doing a show in Enugu. I say, yes, December 26th. He said, if I support you, what will I gain? So I'll give you publicity. I'll make sure I talk about your brand. I'll do everything for you. It's a nice one. I tell where I did talk to the 9-person caller. I beg, bring 4 cousins for me. So I don't know say na waiter they explain my show give. And listen to me. Women, listen to me. If una they do TikTok, no be every challenge they do now. One girl won't meet me for my house. Say, let's do a challenge. I say, which challenge? He say, just give me my money. I slap the girl. I hold the money.
Baba, I go do ritual. As he had for me, we read the native doctor tell me say, I'll get money, but I no go argue with anybody. For this country, we argument free. Now I ask her, so wetin I go do? He say, I bring 5 veggie for who say 2. How? Now there the argument starts. My time don't finish. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. Bring am, Oga, bring am. Don't do like I neck, bring my foot.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Monica. Money is not the problem, just that I no get. Yeah, if I get, I dey give. I'm a graduate. I didn't plan to do this work. By now, I suppose they sleep. Now, doctor, body I get. I suppose the hospital they say if you don't deposit, I'm not going to touch her. But look at where life keep me. God. Now when you go right jump, now you gonna say when you don't meet up cut off mark, you gonna say you get some kind courses where you don't know. Go they shout, when I grow up, I want to be a doctor. As you right jump, you get 120. Now you go come they call people, please, which course 120 feet? About don't beg me, oh. I go perform 2 years here. Joke day. Yes. Go and sit down. So I went to school. Yes, I went to school. Success. Girl, just do your room, they go. Now why you happy? Gone. You go to the room. You know the last, so they wait, may reach 5 o'clock. May they tell the guest, say, I'm very stressed. Man, when no fit deliver, they can explain. For that show, baby, they give me shivita. No be shivita, you know the last. So I went to school, I studied fine and applied art. Fine boy like me. I left there with second class lower. Gee. If he is, he made a run now. Yeah. No be to go school, work day. They go to tell you, say, get 2 streams of income. You go to find the second one, the first one, you go lose them. Any stream where you did there. The only stream where they this Nigeria and a stream of joy. What God cannot do. That night, if you get that, that's the thing. So I read fine and applied art. Fine and applied art is not the only course where they come with compliments. People know they buy artwork. How many of you get artwork for your house? We know they encourage art. Baba, you get artwork for your house. Rugged you in Jesus' name. You go drop us and finish. As I drop, no, they knock mic for me. The girl where they paint her, I don't give her money. You go paint, finish. Mama go tell you, say, minus artwork, you get in your show. You never even know this man. Abuja men, very horny. All of them, essay to the essay to the SSA to the SSA, sickle cell, knife for Abuja. Now my money be that. From who?
Tunji say he go give you 500,000.
Tunji?
Tunji,
you are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. Poor man, don't they go meet Tunji. Idiots.
Papa, anything where you feel to now to survive, do it. Nobody cares. If I leave here, I start thieving. If I see Sheyibodi, I go shoot her. Who that is down fears no fall. Look at all the graduates now, they do POS. Do you know what this means? I'm going to go withdraw money. Who graduate with first class from my department? I be POS attendant. I say do 1K 10 times. Papa, if you like me, tell me now. Now vote. So you be assistant. Now they hear you. Or Nana. I follow my guy go deny Bele yesterday for Papa. Baba, no be joke. Empress, Alpha now, as Papi don't survive, I'm the new last born now. Papi, the way you post your wife, I think say she go perform. Papi go post your wife. My wife is in Canada. So what? Why they put pressure on us?
Tamina no allow other people rest. Tithing is a sin. Nobody should ask you for tithes until they tithe us. Allow us pay our tithe. So I was talking about what I studied. Find and apply art. You go drop us to finish. Go meet them. Say, you're a very good artist. So how much for this work? 500 for art. You don't shop? Say no. So I studied for 4 years to shop. And wow. So if you're an artist, meet me tomorrow. Let's go somewhere and cry. Because graduates no get head for this country. Our president no get. Who be that? Not be the same school we go. Which course did you study? What did you graduate with? Yes, sir. See this one. Polytechnic. Now there. Polytechnic. Royalty. You did these guys, Abi. So I do this and I go. Wait. Up around the table. I'm not going to understand all this man. No be Anambra man this. Now this man the sponsor sit at home for his. Now the car must be released. Man, but all the hotel they full on Monday for East. Now the car they hotel. They must be written at the car and you want release. Baba, we need to gather hands, search for our president. Things are getting expensive. No fuel to fuel my passion again. They do photo shoot for Aso Rock. Senate president said, anywhere you see food, shop am. Man, shop first. Now Senate president sent me. That Senate president, they need to examine that guy. He said they changed the national anthem long time ago. Nigeria for done better. Pascal Kaduna Road made they kidnap you now. As they kidnap you, they call your family, say your ransom at 10 million. Say, give them the phone. Nigeria, we our own. God, Papi, you never see anything, no.
I beg. Also, Lambosu don't they call. Skills they backstage. Soundboy they backstage. Gandoki they I beg.
If alcohol no good for your system, leave am. My neighbor drink finish, because our landlord say our house rent too cheap. He buried on Tuesday by 4. We gather kill him, no evidence. They don't know who killed him. That's group murder. That's what we call suffocation. Now so they keep him back. No be everything you go use joke now. For my family now, no breadwinner. Anybody will carry something, come back, now your turn will be that. Enjoy it. I better carry your show, go. I don't go meet my.
Please put your hands together for Monica.
Talking about me while I'm making money.
DJ, hold on. Monica, take. You're my brother for life. You know, I got you. You're my brother. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.